Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Focusrite model and getting the correct cable or Apple camera adapter. This matters because different models use USB-C or USB-A. Once you have the adapter, plug the Focusrite into the iPad and power it. Some units need external power to enumerate. Make sure Garageband is closed before connecting so iPad can recognize the interface. This step establishes the hardware link that Garageband will later detect as an audio input device. Once the hardware is connected and visible, open settings to confirm Garageband has microphone permission. Without it, the app can't use the interface. Then launch Garageband and create a new audio recorder or amp track so you can select the Focusrite as the input source. Make sure you choose mono for single mics or stereo for stereo sources. This prevents phase or routing errors. Finally, adjust the input gain inside Garageband. This controls clip level and gives you headroom before recording. You're ready to monitor and record. Enable input monitoring in Garageband and check the track meters while you speak or play. Record a short test take and listen back. If you see clipping, lower the Focusrite or app gain to preserve dynamics. If you get no sound, make sure cables and the adapter are seated, confirm Garageband microphone permission, and try restarting the app or iPad. These steps reset USB connections. If issues persist, swap cables or try another USB port to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.